In this video, I will show you how to use the HubSpot social media calendar. Want to plan and schedule your social media content more efficiently? Stay with me, and I'll show you how to get started. First, log into your HubSpot account and open the dashboard. Click Marketing, then select Social. From there, open the Calendar tab to view your scheduled and published posts. To add a new post, click Create Social Post. Choose the social accounts you want to use, write your caption, add any images or videos, and select the date and time. Then click Schedule to add it to your calendar. You can click on any scheduled post to edit, reschedule, or delete it whenever needed. The calendar helps you keep track of all your upcoming content in one place. That's how you can use the HubSpot social media calendar. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.